point. Yay!
Whoa! Darling, you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? If you say that you are mine, I'll be here till any time. So you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? It's always tease, tease, tease. I'm happy when you're on your knees. One day it's fine, the next is black. So if you want me on your back, come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go now? Should I stay or should I go now? If I go there will be trouble. If I stay it will be double. So come on and let me know. This indecision's bugging me. If you don't set me free, exactly who I'm supposed to be. Don't always clothes even fit me. Come on and let me know. Should I cool it, should I blow? Oh!